What would you do if someone handed you $100 right now? Most people already know the answer. Lunch, online shopping, maybe a night out with friends. And by tomorrow, that $100 is gone. But a small group of people see that same $100 completely differently. They don't see spending money. They see a seed that can grow into hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The surprising part? The difference between those two outcomes often comes down to a few simple decisions. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful money multipliers that wealthy people use to turn small amounts of money into growing income. And once you understand these strategies, you may never look at a $100 bill the same way again. Part 1. Why most people stay broke. Before we talk about multiplying money, we need to understand why most people never do it. Because for the average person, money follows a simple cycle. They earn it, they spend it, and then they start over again next month. The problem with this cycle is that money never gets the chance to grow. Every dollar works for a few hours and then disappears forever. But wealthy people follow a different rule. They ask a simple question before spending anything. Can this money work for me first? Instead of seeing money as something to spend, they see it as something to deploy. Like employees. Every dollar they have is sent out into the world to bring back more dollars. And this mindset is the foundation of every wealth-building strategy. Part 2. Money multiplier number 1. Cash flow assets. The first money multiplier is something most people ignore. It's called cash flow investing. This means using your money to buy something that produces income over time. Instead of spending $100 on something that loses value, you use it to buy an asset. For example, that $100 could buy fractional shares of dividend-paying companies through investing apps. Some companies actually pay you money just for owning their stock. It may not sound like much at first. Maybe your $100 investment generates a few dollars per month. But here is where the real magic happens. You reinvest the money you earn. Those dividends buy more shares. Those shares generate more dividends, and over time, something incredible happens. Your money starts compounding. Compounding means your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. Think of it like planting a tree. At first, it's small, but as it grows, it produces more branches, more leaves, and eventually more fruit. This is exactly how wealth grows. Slow at first, but powerful over time. Part 3. Money multiplier number 2. Skills that generate income. The second way to multiply $100 might actually be even more powerful. Instead of investing in assets, you invest in yourself. Because the most valuable asset you will ever own is your ability to create income. Imagine spending $100 on a course that teaches you a valuable skill. For example, freelance writing, digital marketing, video editing, graphic design, coding. These are skills that people are willing to pay for. And once you learn them, you can turn them into freelance work, online businesses, or new career opportunities. Many people underestimate this strategy, but some of the highest returns in the world come from skill investment. Even legendary investors say this. Warren Buffett has often said that the best investment you can ever make is investing in yourself. Because skills cannot be taken away, they cannot be stolen, and they can generate income for decades. A $100 skill today could become a $1,000 opportunity tomorrow, or even a 6-figure career in the future. Part 4. Buying back your time. Now let's talk about a strategy many entrepreneurs use. This one sounds strange at first. Sometimes the smartest way to multiply $100 is to spend it, but not on things, on time. Think about how many hours people lose doing small tasks every day. Answering emails, editing content, organizing files, managing simple online work. Many successful entrepreneurs hire virtual assistants or freelancers to handle these small tasks. Websites like Upwork connect businesses with freelancers who can help with small jobs. Imagine spending $100 to outsource work that normally takes 10 hours of your time. Now those 10 hours are free. You can use them to build a side business, learn a new skill, find clients, create content, or build something that produces income. Successful entrepreneurs often follow a simple rule. They delegate $10 tasks so they can focus on $1,000 opportunities. This is how people scale their income faster, because eventually, time becomes more valuable than money. Part 5. The real secret is systems. Now here's the truth most people miss. Wealth is not created by one smart decision. It's created by systems. Systems that repeat, systems that grow, systems that keep working even when you stop. For example, investing regularly, learning new skills every year, reinvesting profits into new opportunities. When these systems run together, something powerful happens. Your money starts working, your skills start growing, and your opportunities begin multiplying. Over time, this creates momentum, and momentum is what turns small beginnings into large results. So the next time you see $100, pause for a moment. Ask yourself a simple question. Is this money about to disappear, or is it about to start working for me? Because that decision, even with a small amount, can change your financial future. Every dollar that passes through your hands has two possible paths. It can buy something that loses value, or it can help build something that grows. The people who understand this early are the ones who quietly build wealth over time. Not overnight, but consistently. And that is the real difference between spending money and multiplying it. If you want to understand money, wealth, and smart financial habits, make sure you subscribe to Grow with Thon. Every week, we break down simple financial ideas that can help you build a stronger future. Because learning how money works today can completely change where you end up tomorrow.